Hey, this is Mr. Preston, Pythagorean Theorem Part 2. Now what do we do when we have one of our sides contains a radical? Pythagorean Theorem tells us a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Always start off by labeling your a and your b. Now remember here we can use Pythagorean Theorem because we have two side lengths trying to find our. What we're trying to find is we're trying to find our hypotenuse. Remember, hypotenuse is always across from our right angle. These are our two legs. So this is a little bit different. We have 2 square root 2, and we have 2. So 2 square root 2 squared plus 2 squared equals c squared. Okay, what do we do with 2 square root 2? 2 square root 2 squared. Well, remember, if you from our lesson on multiplying radicals, that's 2 square root 2 times 2 square root 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 square root 4. The square root of 4 is just 2. So this is 4 times 2, which is just 8. So once again, all I did there was I squared this number. To square 2 square root 2, multiply what's on the outside to get 4. Multiply what's on the inside to get square root of 4. 4 times the square root of 4 is just 4 times 2, which is 8. So I have 8 plus 2 squared equals c squared. So this is 8 plus 4 equals c squared. 12 is equal to c squared. Square root both sides. Now, biggest perfect square that I can pull out of 12 is 4. So this is square root of 4 times the square root of 3. So this is 2 square root 3. So 2 square root 3 is my answer up here. Okay? A couple more examples. Let's say we're given our hypotenuse. And we're trying to find some of our other stuff. So we're trying to find one of our legs. Okay, so let's say our hypotenuse is the square root of 170. Let's say one of our legs is 6, so we don't know what this one is. Plug into your Pythagorean theorem and solve. So a squared plus 6 squared equals the square root of 170 squared. Now what happens here? The only thing that happens here is when we square 170, the square root symbol disappears. Because essentially this is 170 times 170. The square root of that is just, well, 170. This is a squared plus 36 equals 170. Take away 36. And a squared equals 134. Square root both sides. 134 breaks down into 2 times 67. Now, 67 can't break down. 2 can't either. So our answer is just a equals the square root of 134. Okay? One more example. Let's say we have a word problem here. Or John walks. Go ahead. John walks 6 miles. John walks 6 miles north. 8 west. How far is he from his original location? How far is he from the start? Okay, so go ahead and draw what we have here: north, south, east, west. Okay, so if you walk 6 miles north, that's just up 6. 8 west is just 8 this way. And we want to know how far he is from the start. So this is the picture that I have here. 6, 8, I want to know what this side is. So 6 squared plus 8 squared equals c squared. C is what I want to find. 36 plus 64 is 100. The square root of 100, c is equal to 10. So how far is he from the start? He is 10 miles. Okay? So we had 2 problems involving radicals and 1 problem involving distance with the Pythagorean theorem.